Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Then let's find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner and tap on the camera icon. And as you can see, you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And here we can decide where we want to complete the section. I will pick the gallery, maybe just once. Alright, so here we've got the albums. Let's find the photo you'd like to use and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can change the position of this highlighted square. We can zoom the photo. We cannot. We can zoom. We can change the size of the square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact. So this area is basically responsible for it. So after setting it like you want to, just tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see the photo will immediately appear in this circle. So if you're happy with the results, tap on save. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like after applying the photo, and you will be able to see it, for example, during incoming calls. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.